Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share the top 3 editing software that are free to use and without any watermarks. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. First up, we have CapCut. CapCut is a free all-in-one video editing app developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. It is a free, easy-to-use video editing app that is perfect for creating professional-looking videos for social media. It offers features like templates, filters, transitions, text effects, music, and AI tools like background removal and auto captions. CapCut is supported on Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, and also offers a web-based version for editing directly in your browser. It is ideal for beginners and content creators alike. Next up is DaVinci Resolve 20. DaVinci Resolve 20 is a professional-grade video editing software by Blackmagic Design, renowned for its comprehensive suite of tools encompassing editing, color grading, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production. The latest version introduces over 100 new features, prominently featuring AI-powered tools like AI IntelliScript for script-based timeline creation, AI animated subtitles, and AI Multicam Smart Switch for intelligent camera angle selection based on speaker detection. These enhancements aim to streamline workflows and empower creators to focus more on the creative aspects of filmmaking. If you are looking for a more advanced editing tool, then you can give it a try. Next up is Canva. Canva Video Editor is a user-friendly web-based tool designed for creating professional-looking videos without the need for advanced editing skills. It offers a drag-and-drop interface, a vast library of templates, stock footage, music, and AI-powered features like Magic Design for video, which can auto-generate videos based on your inputs. It is ideal for social media content, marketing materials, and presentations. Canva allows for real-time collaboration and seamless sharing across platforms. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.